The Department of Education and Training in Kon Tum province has recently integrated the teaching of gongs and swang community dance into classroom lessons and extracurricular activities. Students perform gongs and the swang folk dance at flag saluting ceremonies or include them in other artistic performances.
I am very happy and honored to take part in performances of gongs and swing dance. I think our role is to preserve and introduce the traditional cultural values of the gongs and dance to friends everywhere.
The city's education sector has included gongs and swang dance into schools' curricula for over 10 years. The community, local authorities, artisans, and village elders have enthusiastically cooperated with schools to teach children how to beat the gongs and perform the swang folk dance.
Through the program of the education sector, little gong teams have reunited cultural festivals of ethnic minority communities, including the Bana group's New Rice celebration.
It's surprising that even a kindergarten student can now feel the sound of drums. We will have successes in the future.
The education sector continues to promote gongs in schools, especially at ethnic minority boarding and semi-boarding high schools, in order to raise awareness among students. The students themselves will spread the value of the Central Highlands gong culture.
The number of young artists participating in gongs performances and swang folk dances at local festivals has been increasing. This is a positive sign that the conservation of traditional cultural values is being effectively conducted by the community and localities around Kon Tum.